Hello everybody, this is Haneke, and today I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to add a gradient to text. So here's one I prepared earlier. That looks pretty swish, doesn't it? So we're going to learn how to do this. So let's get started. I'm starting with a blank canvas. The size is 1280 by 720, which is the same size as a YouTube thumbnail. So let's start with the text tool. I'm going to use the font Kids Magazine at size 90 pixels in this blue color. And I've got some presets. That one doesn't matter because I'm only writing one line, but the kerning is -4. So I'm going to turn on my guidelines again, and I'm going to write rainbow. Let's click it onto the guidelines. We turn them off again. Okay, so here's our text. Now we're going to go, let's put it up there. We're going to right click on that layer and say alpha to selection. Okay, so that has selected the text. We're going to go to our gradient tool, which is this one, or press G to bring it up. And the gradient that I've selected is this one, which is a pastel colored one. So that's in there. I've put the shape on radial. So now all I got to do is draw in here, and you can move it around to change how the colors fall. Just move it around till you like how it looks. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to say select none. And now, because some of the colors don't stand out really well against this colored background, I'm going to add a drop shadow. Going to filters, light and shadow, drop shadow. I'm going to change the color of the drop shadow to this purple color. And I'll make it a little bit more purple than that, to this purple color. And then I'm going to make it to 1, and we can move it backwards and forwards until it's sort of where we like it. Actually, I'm going to make this a bit more purple than that. There we go, that looks better. So you just adjust where it sits until you're happy with how it stands out against the background. So that's pretty good. Say OK. That looks pretty good to me. So that is how to add a gradient to text. If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, this is Haneke signing out. See you later.